Hello and welcome to our user guide for ActionR executors. In this video, we will teach you how to log into your GoPlims account, navigate the ActionR software, provide updates to actions, and demonstrate how to create floating actions and custom reports. You can use the timestamps in the comments to help you navigate to the section you're looking for. This is the GoPlims landing page for ActionR. In the username box, enter the email address associated with your GoPlims account. In the password box, enter your password, then hit enter or click the login button. Once you log in, you will see a screen with a number of modules displayed, including ActionR. Click the ActionR logo to proceed. From here, you will be presented with a list of all of the projects you are a member of. Click on a project that you wish to review or to take actions in. The landing page for every project will show you the table of all actions that have been assigned to you in that project. Open actions will be shown first, with closed actions listed lower in the table. From here, you can easily filter the actions by using the various tabs, such as Due Today, This Week, Overdue, etc. You can also customize and filter the table itself. Click and drag on the column dividers to increase or decrease the column widths to suit your monitor and priorities. When you have the widths set to a view that you like, you can click on the green Save icon in the upper right of the table to save your settings. By clicking on the 3 vertical dots icon on each column header, you can customize which columns are shown or filter the results of that column. Simply check or uncheck the columns you want visible or hidden on the Columns menu. The Filter menu has a drop-down which allows you to select from several filter criteria, and then a text box to enter the search term for that filter. For example, we can filter for all actions related to a search term like this. Once you have found an action that you wish to check on, click on it. Clicking on an action in the main table will cause the details of that action to open up in a new panel on the right side of the screen. All of the details visible in the table view will also be viewable in this new panel, but there are also some new options to choose from. First is the Update field. If you type text into the field here and then press the Update button, it will be added as a text update to the action. You can also click on the paperclip icon on the left side of the Update field to attach a photo or document to the action. In the course of working on a project, you will likely identify tasks which have not yet been added to the Action Register table. Rather than having to contact your project manager to add these tasks to the register, you can create a floating action. Floating actions are draft actions created by executors which can be reviewed, edited, and approved by project managers. When a floating action is approved, it will be converted into a normal action and added to the main Action Register table. To create a floating action, click the green Add Floating AR button in the upper left above the Action Register table. This will open a new panel where you can provide the important details of the floating action. The Teams to be Coordinated field will let you pick which teams will have vision of this action. The teams you select will automatically populate their members into the Responsibility drop-down. The team member you select will then be the primary person responsible for executing the action after your project manager approves the floating AR. The AR name field is used to provide a short reference name for the action. The Action field is used to provide all of the relevant details for the action. The Due Date field is used to propose a due date for the action. Your project manager can always edit this value to better reflect project timelines or priorities if they need to. Once you have filled in all of these fields, click on the green Submit for Approval button, and your floating AR will be sent to your project manager to review. click on the blue Go to AR Table button to return to the main table view. You can check on the floating actions you have submitted for review by clicking on the Floating AR tab at the top of the action table. You can create a PDF report of your assigned actions by clicking on the Report tab near the top of the screen. You can filter this page in the same way as was explained earlier in the Browsing a Project section. Once you have applied any filters desired, click on the orange Export to PDF button on the upper left of the action table. This will immediately create a time-stamped, watermarked PDF of your filtered action table. A download of the PDF will automatically begin in a second or two, once the custom report has been processed. We hope this video has helped you get started using ActionR. You can find further information in our Operator's Manual and FAQ, both of which are available on our website, plimso.com. If you need to contact us directly, email us at support@plimso.com.